Hi, I'm Deborah, your Expo expert, and I wanted to show you a couple of our fun kids items. If you have any events where you're going to have kids attending, if your clients are throwing some corporate picnics, we have our beach bucket set here where you can see this has a great logo area. It's just some fun little beach shovels and rakes and all, and your sand sculpture so the kids can do their little sand sculptures around their sand castles. We also have a kids gardening set. Get the kids out and planting some flowers, or at least pretending to. Hopefully they'll do better than I do because I do not have a green thumb. Rake, shovel, spade, little watering can, again, cute little logo area there. You get these for around $4. Minimum is only 100 of either one, so it's not a huge investment, but it's a great way to get your name out there with the kids.